We wanted to start by sharing the final results first. This is us combing out her shampoo set. We used a roller set to protect the hair color. You can buy all of the products we used and you can watch and learn this full hair color video on our platform, beautywellnesshaircare.com. After we let the hair dry completely, we allowed it to cool an additional 5 minutes so that the hydrogen bonds can be reset into the new curl shape. That's why the hair is so full of body. We went in with a wide tooth comb first to break up the curls and make sure there were no tangles. We also wanted to show you this incredible dimensional warm blonde hair color. Through the comb out, you can see the root smudge, the caramels, the warm sugary blondes. Here's a quick preview on how we made this hair color happen. In session 2, we add warm blondes to dark textured hair. We begin by sectioning the hair for control. We use the classic 5-panel sections. We've already highlighted the front fringe, the crown, and the right and left sections. In this session, we're taking the client blonder. Remember, this is the heat wave hairstyle refresh. So now that we've lifted the weight off of her shoulder, we're going to lift her hair color. So what we're doing here is we're laying in the teasy foundation. We're back combing 1-inch sections that we will bleach. And what this back combing and teasy highlights achieve is a more diffused, lived-in blonde hair color. We sprayed the hair liberally all over with the bond protecting spray. That added some tackiness to the hair, and it allowed us to continue with the teasing and back combing foundation. We continued that throughout the back section of the hair. That is the upper back, the left and right back panels, as well as the lower nape. There are so many different hair color application techniques that we dive deep into in our master class, and this is one of them. The ability to blend hair that's already been highlighted with hair that has not been highlighted is a sophisticated technique that you really need to get into for textured hair. As a professional master colorist, you have to think ahead of your client. She may come in and just want highlights in the front fringe or a money piece. But what happens over time is the client falls in love with the blonde hair color and they want more. So you have to have the skill set, the application techniques to successfully blend the hair that was already bleached with the newly highlighted hair and keep it healthy and make sure it merges and blends seamlessly. We've isolated the hair that was previously highlighted, at least 95% of it, and the remaining 5% of it we're blending with the new hair that's going to be highlighted. We used 4 hair color formulas to achieve this beautiful, dimensional, warm blonde hair color. You can watch this complete hair color video on our platform. You can watch it over and over again in the privacy of your bedroom in your pajamas. It details all of the steps, all of the timings. We discuss all of the brands and why we selected the particular products to use in this situation. Overall, it took us 6 hours to achieve this hair color, but it was worth it. This client is a natural hair color level 1 to 2. Her hair is fine and the density, that's how many hairs per square inch, is medium. Her hair right in the front fringe is thinning a little bit in the density. We roller set this client's hair to protect the hair color and to add body and fullness. You don't always have to use a flat iron and high heat to achieve a beautiful end result. To maintain her hair, she shampoos every 7 days. We use sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners. And we finish with a little 100% organic nourishing lipid serum. We've completed the heat wave hairstyle refresh. We used the razor to slice and carve a new weight line into her hair, and we've refreshed her level 5 demi-permanent hair color. We've transformed her hair into this beautiful dimensional warm blonde hair color. No foam, no gel, no mousse, no sulfates, no silicones. When you're ready to level up your hair color skills on textured hair, we got you covered. We have professional, educational, textured hair videos on our platform. Click the follow button, subscribe, click the like button. Share this video with your favorite hairstylist. Our mission is to spread beauty.